Here's how students can get Claude AI Pro for free. First, open Chrome and search Education Claude AI. Once you search it, click on the first website. It should redirect you to this page where you can click Contact our Education team. They then send you to a page where you put in your information. Now before you start, Claude has two programs: to be a Claude Campus Ambassador or to be a student builder. Pick the one you want and you can start filling in your information. They ask for your name, your phone number, your school email, job title, etc. Just keep in mind that for your school email to be valid, it has to have .edu or .k12 on it. Once you're done, it should look something like this. All you need to do now is to wait for their email so that you can get your approval. Also, it's important to note that in some countries, unfortunately, applications have already closed, so you just need to wait until they open again. So that's how students can get Claude AI Pro for free.